You won't believe what we found. This is Revival in Arsenal. Arsenal! They do this to Harleys. Let's go check them out. Oh man, look at the detailing on that. It's so shiny. Oh wow. I mean, have a look at this. It's like the black finish on this one, which is really awesome.
Stealth paint.
Oh wow. You won't touch it because you want to leave
No,
blemishes.
don't.
Wow. Chrome finish on that. So these guys know their stuff. It's called Revival, and what they do is they take motorbikes that already look awesome and make them even more awesome. The stuff that they're producing here is just unbelievable.
He's a
He's going for the BMW.
monster.
Have a look at the size of that thing compared to Riki. It is huge. Okay, we're going in. This is the custom shop where they actually make all the stuff happen. And here's one that's busy being done at the moment. Look at the size of that tire. But this is one that's getting close to the end. And have a look at it. They are just beautiful. The guy's actually working on this one at the moment. As you can see, that there are a few in here that are getting customized at the moment. Maybe this is an old Honda that's coming back to life. You got a Harley there. And an old Yamaha on that side. Awesome. Everywhere you look, they're exposed motorbikes. They're almost like coming into a strip club with the naked bikes everywhere. This is another Harley, and I'm not sure what this one is. This is a Honda. Okay, so this one started out looking like that. Riki's making Julian sit on one of the bikes.
So this is Julian. He's the owner of the place. He's got some big plans for bikes in Mauritius. So contact him, we'll put his details if you're into bikes. So mutt motorcycles, apparently there's something pretty cool, and they're going to be bringing them in by the end of the year.
What I really like about this garage is actually on the walls as well. It's got a really nice retro feel about it on some of the photos. It's missing a pub.
It's probably hidden at the back.
He's got a pub at the back, he's not letting us go there.
Not yet, yeah. No, a pub would be awesome.
This is the 100, the one I just showed you. So you can come and just get your normal bike really sorted out beautifully. Oh man. This one's going to look the same as the other one. Well, similar. There we are. That is it in the best profile. Shiny and beautiful. And one day, this one's going to look like that. Oh, look at this. This is the 50cc and how beautiful it turned out. If the other one can be half as good as this one. Wow. This is like Harry Dakar type thing.
Yeah, we haven't done that right.
They started about 4 years ago and have been busy ever since. Even during the Corona times, they were still going on. You know, obviously they had to take those few days off when you weren't allowed to work. But they had a full shop. People want to customize. And I agree, because they look so much better than the original. Normally not the best of friends, but here's a KTM and right next to a Ducati. And they look like they're snuggling. Isn't that cute?
So at the moment, if you're looking to buy a Harley or any sort of bike like that and bring it into Mauritius, contact these guys as well, and they will sort you out. Screaming, there you go. Vroom, vroom. Oh, there it is. He did it very often. Yeah, like he did again.
Revival, customs and classics. Who knew such a beautiful shop existed? Well, anyway, everyone, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.